So, hi guys. Uh, Today we have to try to understand what is the global scope in JavaScript and how it will useful. Okay. So there will have two things. Okay. One is a block scope. One is global scope. So the global scope is which defined as a globally, which can be accessed from inside whole file. There will have nothing, no restriction on that. Okay, see, I will explain you. This is the global scope. Okay, where define hello global. So this hello global will be accessed from inside these functions, inside another function, like any inside function, because this is a globally. Okay, but uh, first you have to read this fully. The global scope in JavaScript refers to the variables declared outside of any function or block. These variables are accessible from anywhere in your code, including inside functions. While convenient, excessive use of global variables can lead to naming conflicts and make your code harder to maintain. It's generally best practice to minimize global scope uses and favor more localized scopes. Properly managing global scope is crucial for avoiding unintended side effects and side ensuring code clarity. So mainly now we should not use global variable mostly. Try to use local scope, block scope. So see if I will okay, I will go to here. Wait. So see this is the my global scope. Uh, Okay, this is my platform, na Techie where you can go and edit code and learn these all concept. Okay, for example, I define more one is go like name. Okay, equal to Subham. This is the global scope. Okay, first I have to delete this variable name equal to 1 second Subham. Okay, and we can access this from inside any functions. For example, create console dot log name. Okay, so this is a variable which is a global scope defined. We can access inside here. Okay, name, and we can call these functions. Okay, okay. Now you can able to see this Subham has been printing. Are you able to see? So, and four, see, there will have one more scope. This is a global, one is a block scope. For example, let age equal to 20. Okay. Now I can print this log age and now, okay. Now I have to calling this. Can you able to see? 22 has been also printing because this is a block scope. Now take an example. I try to access this block scope from outside. Okay, this is the inside function. Na? Now I am accessing this age which are defined inside functions. Now I have to running. Okay, first we have to comment out these two things and run this. Can you able to see this error function? Reference error age is not defined. The, why this error giving? Because this age is a block scope. There will are two things. One is global scope. One is block scope. See, now I have to print dot log name. 1 second, I have to comment out this and printing this name. Can you able to see? They have printing this name. Why printing the name and why they will giving error in age? Because age is defined inside this function, which is a global scope. Okay. Sorry. This is a block scope, and this name is defined as a global scope. That's why we can able to uh, print it. Okay. So are you have you maybe able to understand this global scope? You can visit my website here. There are more than like 400 concept present, similar like concept present, where you can learn new things in very less time. Okay, so thank you guys for your time. Thank you. Bye.